Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find date, location and sender of the photo on Aura frame in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, on your Aura digital frame, you need to tap on it once on the touch bar. This is going to bring up the photo information overlay on the screen. Now, even after doing this, nothing appears. You can just tap again gently in order to activate it. Now, once the info screen appears, you can see the details on it, like the date of the photo when it was taken and the location as well. Now, these details depend on the original photo metadata. If the photo does not have the location data, it will not show. Now, if the photo was shared by someone, the sender's name may also appear, and this is going to help you know who added the photo on the frame. So if you have uploaded the photo yourself, it may show your name instead. Now, for additional control, you can just simply open your Aura application. Then when you are inside the frame settings, you can look for the option of photo orders. So when you tap on the photo orders option, you can either shuffle it or you can also select any other options. So here, when you select any of the photos that you have added previously, when you tap on the share icon, you will see the date and the time available. So here you can click on this pencil icon and you can also change it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.